Come join us today for a 12-mile paddle around Wallasea Island, along the River Crouch, up the River Roach. We stop for lunch and then we take a trip down the Paglesham Creek, over the road, across Lion Creek and back onto the River Crouch, back to the Burnham Sailing Club. Today I'm out with the Burnham Kayak Club for the first time on open water. Thanks guys for letting me tag along. I hope you enjoy the video. Today we have a very high tide of over 5.5 metres, which will enable us to paddle over the road onto Lion Creek.
Trolleys can stay here, can they?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, here they come. Here comes out that kayak.
Should have done both. So we're on the River Crouch today. It's our winter paddle. And we're doing a circumnavigation of, what is it, Dan? Wallasea Island. I believe it's a nature reserve. We've got Dan leading us today because this is my first time on open water with them. So he kindly let me tag along. So it's roughly between an 11 and 12 mile paddle. And we've got absolutely fantastic weather. So I'll take some videos along the way and come join me. Beautiful.
Channel 64. This is
Yeah.
I don't think anyone can get out today.
It's fairly quiet at the moment.
Quite like that going through, you come out the whole day and you can't even see any boats. You see another boat all day.
Lovely. Just missed that at all.
You look back, you've got 5 winds with that. Especially if the wind's coming through that way. In the summertime myself, on a hot day, middle of July. I'm up there, I was like, it looks like a seal. I normally like run away, so I got out, instantly realised it was a dead seal.
Oh no.
The salt had got a bit like crispy bacon on the outside.
Oh.
That is a big Sam bacon.
Okay. Oh, look at that.
Oh, like that, yeah, that's the end of the paddle. That deep.
How lovely that is, guys.
She skinks up something that's bit.
Yeah. Well, this is it, isn't it?
That's literally that deep.
This is, yeah, I felt it. This is what I found when I started doing a lot of paddleboarding on some of these rivers. I was finding I'm getting to places no one can explore. Hello. Right, mate? How you doing?
You get to the upper corner and then turn right up there where that mast is. Sometimes you'll get like 6 or 7 of them surround you like a mob.
Oh, really?
And you're like, are you all friends?
Yeah. Are you going to come on the boat? Wow.
This bit of the crouch, if it's
Look at that. I am filming that. That's a gaggle and a half, isn't it?
They're pissed off.
It's like that bloody kayak club again.
If you come down here and there's a proper southerly or northerly breeze, this can go like metre deep waves.
Oh, really?
We did one paddle, we got to this corner and we just looked down here and it was like probably about 2 foot waves that are solid. We were like, yeah, I think we'll go back.
Shit. Yeah, man. Oh, wow, that's just stunning. Where's this cloud come from? Will it be clear?
This is how I thought it was going to be this morning.
Exactly, yeah. Quick cup of tea on the water. Cheers. Once we've done the crouch bit, we're now in the mouth of the roach. Got a bit of cloud cover coming, but still quite warm. That's really good. Experienced my first wakes from boats, which was a little bit hairy, but managed to stay in. That's all good. Yeah, some sardines.
You sent me a 400.
Ooh. Here he is, look, right on me. Hello there. Brilliant. Yeah, just sink beneath the waves. Excellent. Onwards. That was a bit of fun, wasn't it? Yeah. There we go. Get over the wake, not very much this one.
David Case David Case David Case taking you on channel 1.
It's a bit scummy because they've been sort of pumped out of sewage.
Yeah, brilliant.
A few times recently.
Lovely.
A lot of people complain because there's pockets all around the crouch
Oh, real
where
shit.
it's sort of congealed.
Vessel Truda. Call sign Sierra Uniform Tango 7. This is David Case David Case David Case hailing you on channel 160.
That's far in now.
Truda is David Case Good afternoon, sir. Requesting change to channel 67 standby.
67.
It does flood in quite quick, so
Yeah.
let's take them up.
Bring them up a bit, yeah.
It's quite green. Last time we left them further near the water edge and had to move them about 4 times. I was just like, I just want a sandwich. That'd be alright, yeah. Flood's wet.
Do our tide race through here. Argy bargy. And we're through. That's it, we're off again. What's this? It's a net or sea wall? We're in the plastic ones. Oh, this is lovely. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, mate. Yeah, I should see him only at 30 metres. Wow. I know, we're protected from the wash. Here we go. The wreckage. Okay, ahead we have the wreckage of HMS Beagle. She was a wooden ship, sailing ship, and all that's left is the main boiler room, I'm led to believe. Active in the 1800s. Not looking much like a ship anymore. Balls. Wow. She's definitely weathered. HMS Beagle in all her glory. Not quite so glorious anymore. Down with the flow. Go with the flow. Shellfish bed. Man, nice. Will I store this shellfishing gear? Very nice place to work.
Motorboat, blue motorboat entering the Fanbridge Yacht Haven Creek. Motor blue hull entering the Fanbridge Yacht Haven Creek. This is sailing boat Gellert. Gellert, over.
There's not a lot of depth here. Now we're heading down to the causeway now, which will bring us back out onto the River Crouch. A lovely paddle. That mean try and get across the causeway now. I think we're gonna. No, we've got to get out, man. Go. Somewhere we could get round there now.
You can get in, but that's still, it's still not enough.
No. Oh yeah, that's a shame, isn't it?
Another 20 minutes, that section there will flood, and then it will even out.
Well
done for your first time.
Yeah.
You only get about one, I think it's 2 tides a year.
Really high
you
spring
actually come
tides.
over. It's got to be over 5.5.
pretty
So it's
over.
like 547 or 557.
It's kind of tricky getting back in on this side, so that's the real luxury.
Yeah, where I am now, 3. That goes,
Yeah, we're normally
Yeah.
stood on this spongy stuff, trying to lean over and get the boats.
Yeah. Yeah, man, done it. So you couldn't have timed that any more perfect, Dan.
Still got this sort of 10 minutes of high tide.
Yeah.
Could be a while.
That could be it for you, isn't it? Right. Is he? Has he stopped? I think he's either give up or he ain't give up. Yeah, floating around on the road. Done it. He's turning round. Skeg. And we're off again. Right.
But we might be high enough now to not see it.
So where are we heading? To the masts?
Yeah, that's normally around all this bit. So we normally pass that lump. All this sticky out bit.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, either. Yeah. I'm where? Wow. Yeah, shot that. Yeah. No. I mean, once you start the crossing, you're committed, aren't you? Yeah. Woo. That was a little bit lively, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's more like that.
Scary, I'm not going to deny it. You just have to just keep going. Really high tide. You don't realise you've done the rough out there, but it's swell. Yeah, a bit scary. No. Wait. What's that then? Oh, well, that's doing that. What an amazing paddle. A full circumnavigation of Wallasea Island today. So first time out with the Burnham Kayaking Club. Superbly planned and executed paddle. About 12 miles we covered today, I think. So yeah, really good. The weather was good and the wind's been pretty light. So yeah, fantastic paddle. Considering, you know, we're heading towards mid-November and I'm still in a t-shirt. So yeah, quite pleased. We're just going with the tide now. You look at the difference this side. We've come from up there to this, like a mill pond.
fantastic day with lovely weather and good company. Thank you very much, guys, for letting me tag along today. Look forward to joining you on many more. Absolutely fantastic. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now.
Bit of wind shear going on there.
I never do it tight enough. Never tight.
Thanks, dude.
It was just jolt.